Hello everybody, welcome back. And today we're playing some more Design It. I just joined this game, guys. And yeah, if you're wondering why I have the boy morph, it's because this guy looks good. It is because at Royal High School, me and my friend were playing these guys. So, yeah. So today we're playing some more Design It. This is requested by me. So yeah, this girl should have honestly won. Or he should have gotten first, because bro. Okay. Yeah, there's no disco in this girl. So today, we're playing some more. And if you would like a part 3, I'm not going to do it today, but if you would like a part 3, make sure to comment down below. Down below. Down below. So today, we're doing Design It the opposite. So the theme is green. Sorry, I couldn't say that for a second. But we, the rebels, are going to do blue. So we have $970 to use wisely. So, let's see, this looks a slay already, guys. So, I'm just got to warn you, this looks slay. Slay. Okay. Let's go to clothing. Okay, this is legit what I'm doing for the last round. This is legit what I did. That's crazy, my dudes. That's crazy, my dudes. Okay. Where's the cookie face? The cookie, yes. Guys, this is exactly what we did. Exactly what we did. And we did, I think, this one, but we're gonna do this one. I'm gonna put my hand on my shoulder. Okay, I only have enough for a dog, but I'm not gonna do the dog. Kids. Just try to find some more blue stuff, my dudes. Some blue stuff. Some blue stuff. Okay. Let's look at the neck, maybe. Can I not put stuff on my back? Like my dude. Let's add something. 50. Bro, this thing's so retarded. Okay. I think we're good. Oh, wow. I'm gonna say, why are y'all green? Why are y'all green? This is gonna be so funny. Because oh my god! It is! Lol. I don't care. I look smexy. I don't care. I look smexy. Slashy dance. The guy looks like he's like, I'm watching you, girl. No, you look stupid because you aren't green. My heart is green. My heart is green. Lol. My heart is green. Okay, they don't get what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and put a green t-shirt on. Green. Okay, this will at least make them happy. There. There. Better. Better. There. Better. So funny. Okay, I don't think I can do it in 45 seconds. I know. I look hot, right? I know I look hot, right? Whoa, look at this dinosaur. That looks so cool. I know I look hot, right? What is 2 plus 2? 4. 4, you idiot. It's 4, my dude. Watermelon. I'm a watermelon. Melon. Melon. I'm a watermelon. I'm a watermelon. Melon. I'm a watermelon. Help me. I'm a watermelon. Okay, guys. What am I watching? Oh, I'm watching Stuck in the Middle. Wait, am I? No, I'm not. Okay, I have no clue what I'm watching. So, why am I such in the corner? Vote meh. What if I get first place? That would be so funny. I'm sorry I talk so loud. I'm a talking loud monkey machine. Sometimes I talk. You're blue. Watermelons are green. Rotten watermelons are blue. It's so... Okay, sometimes I'm quiet, sometimes I'm not. But right now, it's like 3 in the afternoon, and I'm pumped. My dudes, why did I not place? My dudes, why did I not place? My dudes, what? I didn't get to vote. My dudes, why did I not place? My dudes, why did I not place? My dudes, because you are a green idiot. My shirt, stripes. Ooh, I'm gonna be awesome at this, bros. I like stripes. I like the stripes. I like the stripes. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna do polka dots. Okay. Let's see, polka dots. Okay, I think I spelled polka dots wrong. Did I? Yeah, I bet I did. Yeah, I spelled polka dots wrong. Okay, let's do plain. There, it's just plain. No, not. Oh my god, this thing is so dumb. Well, you have blue and not enough green. Okay. Let's do my. Let's do my shirt stripe. Oh, stripe. Let's do my shirt stripe, and then everything else, my dude is gonna be like. Okay, let's do this. No, let's do this. No, let's do disco. Disco, yes, disco, disco. I'm a disco girl. Okay. That guy is probably gonna be like, you're tripping, right? You're tripping, right? I'm gonna be like, no, I'm not tripping. What are you talking about? I'm just being real here. Okay, cookie. I like the cookie face. I should do the butt face, but... The butt face. Face. Where's the butt face? The butt face. The butt face. The butt face. The butt face. You can do the XD, but that just looks weird. Okay. That looks so weird. And then we're gonna have a pony. Pony. Hats. Okay, we have to look at arms. Let's do unicorn. A unicorn. Where's a unicorn? A unicorn. Is there not? A unicorn! Bro, that looks so cool. I'm a disco unicorn, my dudes. No, I'm gonna be a cookie. Cookie. I'm gonna be a cookie. Cookie monster. No, but I'm gonna be a cookie. See? I'm a cookie. Cookie monster. This looks so weird. That is the cutest outfit ever. Bro. So cute. I know I'm acting weird, but that's what I do, mans. That's what I do. Okay, this is probably the last round. I should win. I should win. I should totally win. I should win. I'm obviously gonna win. I'm done. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. No. You have no stripes. Yeah. Yeah, I do. What you talking about? What you talking about? I have a stripe. My dude. Come on. My dude, come on. Bro. My dudes. You blind? My dude, you blind? My dude, you blind? Vote me, I'm gonna win. No, I'm gonna win. You're stupid. Thank you. Thank you. And you're dumb. Yes, I do not mean this. No problem. I know. Why does she say that she's dumb? If you act like that, then why won't you win? I will win, my dudes. My dudes. Are you? I'm a cold watermelon. Watermelons are tasty. Watermelons are tasty. A girl. Vote me. Vote me. And I'll be your dude. And I'll be your dude. Ooh, it sounds like I'm a boy. You are a girl. I know, my dude. I know, my dude. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. Come on, come on, come on. Cross my fingers. Cross my fingers. Yay! Oh my god, I actually got 3rd place. Oh, my dudes. My dudes. I won. My dudes. My dudes. My dudes. My dudes. I won. I won. Bruh. Okay, guys. Thank y'all for watching. And make sure to leave a like on this video. Because people hate me now. Have you seen how mean people are? People call me stupid. They call me dumb. Like, bro, I'm not dumb. I'm just doing it for a video. Let's submit this design. And goodbye, guys. And I hope y'all enjoyed. Goodbye. And make sure to go look at the next video because I'm doing a part 3 because I love this video so much. So, yeah, guys. Goodbye.